odi fo akwa na eka say ya me da sorry ya to this the Church of Bethesda simple pronunciation no eye Bethesda mami me so bibiri se o papa odi fo akwa me hwe je Ghana TV a wonso be dey be ka me hoin na ye nhwe na se wo hwa me srew brofu bi na ka ho no se wo hu ye se ye dey subscribe na ye dey na mi do no so na former sister wote ne ho ano na ontie bi ebi mpa obohu papa akwa nyame hira wo se otie ye goodbye
ena wo Angela wo ka kire me say Joyce ye be ma 800 cedis that is connected 8 million Asama Mike, if there is any journalist watching me today, I beg of you. I know some journalists are hardworking. I have seen a lot of journalists in Ghana who are really hardworking. Good. But there are most of the journalists are just lazy. They are lazy. They don't hold our leaders accountable. We don't hold our leaders accountable for anything. Each other send me by obia fa pen ni paper. No ma try the ope. No there are two internet so. Yeah, ubagu Joyce, obenye bibia kan, obenye sika to ni bottom. Now so you are destroying me, you have destroyed me. Mu ye ya ma nya depression e koda hospital. Me nya depression we mu na musambe kan say me ye body ni. Anya hwe. Me nim doctor kra wo biase a or declare say obinya asem na say oye depressed na che say nipa ne body ni. Na so Ghana for me the dam no me dey ato me so. Me say no problem. Still I'm living my life. I do whatever I want to do to make my life better, and I try as much as possible to make myself happy. Until the same ebe to me so, am obi e bear me cry and say no. So obi e bear me a nipa ni the oba with a clear mind. Na the nkrofo be can't nipa no. Ebe man nipa ni cry sign echi. And you know, I live my life like that. Me say me as mama we me ni obia. Me ni obia. Because if it's a me band papa cry no, me ni ne wo ye no. So we who me say me nipa boni ni akakora no on no. Yeah, I am evil. Evil Joyce. All because of what? One HIV program I did. Let me come to the contract. This is what the contract said. Contract in it say, me sign a contract 5 years with the Ghana AIDS Commission. Every month, me 800 cedis. That is 8 million. The contract said I will get 3-bedroom apartment. And yet for free. Is she crying? Not for free. And I said, and yes, they check me, but rented place for 2 years. After 2 years, they will renew it. Good. 800 cedis, 3-bedroom apartments rented. And what else? They said they cannot give me a car. I want to be mommy car. And you know, say me ko program bia. Me bra Ghana AIDS Commission office. Na me can chom say me ko ye program. Ghana AIDS Commission for the car be family ako. That is what the contract said. And I me sign a contract here. And I me sure say me ye programs. And see programs, you know, me call kind of say me call workshop. Workshop you go for training to learn more about HIV and do so many things. Ghana for motion in there. See, come in Ghana AIDS Commission, Fidelity Bank. That is where I save. Yan from in African in shame in same said Joyce. Busumi asum beju 8 million. That is coming to my account in Fidelity Bank. So if there is any journalist watching me, if I bring your DC, wherever you are, I am telling you, watch me. And not funny pa and smanipa. No one come Ghana AIDS Commission ho. Na account to crack Ghana AIDS Commission for this $3 million in 2 months. Papa check Ghana for. Still, I don't doubt you. And yet possible, Mrs. Ubiom, it is possible, say, Ghana AIDS Commission for any parliament, I could sign it, say, yeah, they say, Bema Joyce. Possible, pa. Because, as some see some people working at the AIDS Commission, now they can't train me. So before I'm family as AIDS ambassador, no, I'm called parliament. They debated on my program. And there are other 3 people. They debated. Say ombema me dan nye rented house we ye che me dan and some amount of money be and nye 8 million kana was here de mami. It may be, don't misquote me. I said maybe it is possible say Parliament with Ghana Airways Commission or ma signing say you better fear my Joyce. You better my Joyce car. And I say Bema Joy is $1 million. And I say Bema Joy is $3 million. Sacrifice your life for the country. People are dying of AIDS. Now moko sign contract ni biye ya. Now Joy is Jimmy. Joyce with a good heart. Joyce who always want to save people. Came to sign 800 cedis contract. Only 1 year. Within 1 year, no. Now me just say, ya hear me who posters. Me billboard. Una mkroma me dasu. Akra. Amikita kola awo minsim. Samoti masi. Amikita kola awo minsim. Na moya me books. Moya me hu books. Na moya me hu advert. I remember the advert. In the advert I said, I'm a mother of 2. My name is Joyce. And I'm HIV positive. That was the advert. And the advert was everywhere. Na advert in the oh baby. It's me nam chroma. Obianim said, that is it. For how much? 8 million. Now contract na me sign ya na musi 5 years so. Mi be cheche mu de e course. Ghana for mu bia mani sa Ghana Airways Commission. Nyase me ni omu wa asemu ti me ka asemu ato omu so. Se me asema me ba be ken if it's a liar. Me angasa me krom bosom na me gini di no. It should kill me. Now who Dr. Angela L. does under the NDC administration. Dr. Angela L. does under NDC administration signed contract with me that I should be responsible for educating the youth in the schools. 2, to educate mothers living with HIV. You understand? Now, sir, Nkrofo the letter about Ghana Airways Commission. Sir, we are so and so school or church, and we are requesting that Joyce Mensah come to our school, our church, blah blah blah, to educate us. In Crawford letter by 100, Ghana Airways Commission will not mind them. Unfortunately for me, no ambassadors in year 4. Now so they be a letter bar. Joyce didn't want that because of how I present myself. Mystery, minimuti. I have a story. You understand? It's a share story now. It encourages people to listen. I talk about sex. I talk about unprotected sex. So most of the school share Uko Cape Coast. Uko Cape Coast. If I'm not lying, school be any Cape Coast and me nice ho. There is no secondary school ever Cape Coast main core. Infancy man, infancy pim, a disco. Just some of the schools now I have gone to over 600 schools in Ghana. All the traveling I was doing, no, majority was around Ghana, not even outside Ghana. Now me sacrificing me to me go program sir, me be fia na ma bre, ya mama to me ba, na be aduana ma me. Me say ma I'm too tired, I can't obviously oh ye need kakra. Enti me ambassador me very slim pa because me ndidi. I didn't have time for my own body. Because me started program now HIV cases were reducing. And one thing that was giving me happiness was that now me the wawa me ho only me the wawa me ho say like me to me aye bibiama it has been able to save people. So I was proud. Let me tell you why they terminated my contract. Contract in say so be the letter Basa member programmer. Airways Commission for the Mebeko. They have drivers, they have cars. Now so seminar program na mi free Airways Commissioner. Omeka chem se car ni ho. Da me ni obi beka sa no a car ho no. Omeka chem se driver ni ho ade Mebeko program na se. Da driver ho no omeka chem se fuel any car ni mo. Now so makwaji millions of dollars from the Global Fund. Ghana Airways Commission, you got millions of dollars from Global Fund, all because of the story I was sharing. A little girl as I was, 23 years, I didn't know much about anything. Now I was so naive. And then you exploited me, did videos about me, got all the millions you wanted to get, and then we are terminating my contract. Every person in Ghana knows that I was a hardworking lady. Everybody in Ghana knew that I was a hardworking lady. And I'm still throwing this challenge to you once again. The Ghanaian journalists, the program we did from 2011, Heart to Heart, that was the title of the program. Heart to Heart program now, Ghanaian journalists, can you go back to the AIDS Commission? Let them account for all the money they spent. Request. Mumbisa say, Ghana AIDS Commission, yaba. Money joint program now, I see can't do send and spend it here. And then you will see how much money ended up in people's pockets. You will see how much money ended up in people's pockets. Now Africa, you see Africa is a poor country. There is so much disease in Africa. Malaria, tuberculosis, HIV. Then we gather some people, do some documentaries. Near the kwa brofuno, near musika millions. Now I'm paying the phone. No much check. Ni go mboto. Ghana AIDS Commission. They have pocketed money into their pockets. Into money me ye be biano. 1 year pepe. Now your program be. And I meant to me uncle. Upon all the number of schools I'm making in just this program I meant to me uncle. Mr. Fieni, I did termination letter. Ebremi. Sir Joyce, we are sorry. We can't work with you again. No, I'm terminating my contract. A young girl, 23 years old. You've exposed me to the whole world. You've told everybody she has HIV. She's been everywhere. You've done movies about her. You've done documentaries about her. And I'm and I'm soon because I caught initially the mom. Dr. Angela, you are a woman. And to this idea where a year will be banned, Sanka Meya will bar and Calbea Missa. Nobody was ready to work with me because I have said something abominable. HIV near idea did agro. Me ya. Masum metikosa menko. It's answer mini kamafo. Mini obi obeka masama mame. I became so depressed. When I got that letter that day, I cried. I cried. It got to a point I couldn't do anything. I couldn't work anywhere because nobody was ready to have anything to do with me. I suffered depression for so many years in Ghana. Because they terminated my contract, no money, nothing, no house. And with that 800 cedis that I was receiving for only 1 year, no, is that what made me a millionaire? Ghanaians, are you telling me that 800 cedis now, and this is for the man, no, and not me, mammy, yes, you can hear now. Now, Uko internet is now typing me dear. Fraudulent AIDS ambassador. Thief. Liar. Who wants to work with a liar? Who wants to work with a fraudulent ambassador? Me, no. I still decided to move on. And I'm still moving. I am still moving. I am still moving. 1 year later, I'm also metikosa menko omuni menye ejuma bio. And I'm former First Lady Lordina Mahama. And I'm within a year AIDS ambassador. Asama Mike. Meaning said they will come back to come and lie. Now baby biara obesama be try attract me to biara. I don't want to curse. Mejai. May Kama deal with the I wanted to curse, but I don't want to do it again. Kama will deal with everybody. Ena, I'm going to follow Lordina Mahama. And I'm going to AIDS ambassador. Former First Lady Lordina Mahama. Uya me mamia akamedibe kwa me ho. I can never disrespect you because you have served Ghana before. Your husband, former President John Mahama, I can never disrespect you because you have been a president. Even when people were saying, accusing you, say, only me hotel or Dubai, I know so only me be biada. But me can say only me and me ni Uncle Ford can be so. I still came to defend you. I am not a bad person. And I'm a bad and defending former President Mahama. But me issue ni buy and what did they do for me? Former First Lady Lordina Mahama, you do be your ambassador to come and do what? How many schools did you go, Madam? Madam Lordina, school do what say now call it. This is another Biamichi, and David to me got 3 schools. Me Minanso. I casa 2 hours. Me we am a different school. Me we am another school. I go to different churches in a day. Sometimes I do about 4 or 5 programs. Former President John Mahama's First Lady, Lordina Mahama, when you became the ACE ambassador, how many schools did you go? Did they also do a story about you? Did they say you should come and say you had HIV? Please, I want to know. I knew that I was cheated. So I decided to go to former First Lady. The office was a cantonment. I drove to her office. I wanted to explain to her, say, ex-commission for me and dini ye. Me position ya Giamano. Inti mi kwa kubisa and say, Madam, wait me aboa me ana because I done a renting mammy no. Esu a me need you may be aye. And I'm a quajin kwasi a contract. Sebi en kwasi ejuma na mbeye ye no. Me beye en kwasi ejuma instead of be who me say me yare for. Obi a person me baby be. Inti Madam, can you help me please? Me call ye no. Former First Lady Mahama. Ni secretary na mko tu in the office na wa cantonment no. Inti me koshia ni secretary na me sim person me who Madam. I say, oh Joyce, what is the problem? I mean, no, it's personal. I want to see her. I say, Joyce, anything you tell me, you have indirectly told her. Just let me know. And I come ask them no. And I say, Joyce, can you bring me a letter about what you just told me? And I'm got you a letter at the brain. Former First Lady Mahama, Lordina, I gave you a letter for 1 year. You did not reply me. 2 years, 3 years, you didn't reply me. Midnight office 190. You tell they come. Woman wait for me, and I'm see you and yashi. Me kwa ko Mahama nankasa. Me throw a letter, Flagstaff House. They bia me na Flagstaff House. They bia. Mahama never replied even 1 letter. So I decided to call him personally. I started calling former President Mahama. With all due respect, I can never insult you. Former President John Mahama, uni wife. President, me friend Mahama phone to friend Mahama. Last minute, in the bodyguard, or my bodyguard be me. And I said, the ambassador me catch any biano. The bodyguard me say me can't train. Now he will know. And I'm saying, thank God. At least, even if Mahama cannot meet me, his bodyguard is coming to meet me. So the bodyguard no buy. Ebe share me. You know, besides, dey answer moi. And I make come me asimu se mu nyina ni the Ghana Air Commission for omu use me hear me videos di come abrofo ejeje hu millions. Edi esum meti kwasa mi nko na mi nko. And I make come me se mu nyina akire ni se me pa omu che omu mboa me. Me papa page se mu mboa me. And I see you. All the information ni come Mahama. Be ene me nne amediti how many years now? Ene me nne amediti we. Nobody wanted to do anything with me. It got to a point. Me ko pay sika. E ko pay dan bi work ba we. Na me see me ko rent dan work ba we. Good. You go do see on the funeral no hu many more. Say, hey, you look familiar. And I say, Drew. And I meet here dan like 2 years. Akabe 2 days and me make kwa to some niama akwa to na fi ho. E one if you and some friend me say, Madam, we cannot have you in this house. Can you come back for your money? And omusan ede me sika mami. Do you know why? Who want to live with an AIDS patient? In quotes. In quotes. Who want to live with me? Nobody. Who want to live with a scammer? Nobody. Who want to live with a liar? Nobody. I became so lonely in this world that, and I'm because me mama cry. Me mama can say program, me mama inquire. And I say, me person me yen and me savior man for. And if me na me this approach, I mean I'm hammock promo cry and uncle first in Crawford come on sem. Obi person bear me cry and I have seen the pan drink and bear sandy pan. I am evil. And this is for more some more opposition. NDC for me so friend I could pop vampire to NDC. NDC should never come to power again. Me vampire suya and untino 2016 me boost your nipia and walk vote here. Me boost your nipia and walk vote my NDC. Because they are wicked. Because you know the people you will sleep with and buy houses and buy cars for the girls. But yana you sacrifice your life in India. Baby, you don't know me. And then Muko opposition, you want to come back. And you think that God is a fool. God is not a fool. No way. God is not a fool. Former First Lady Lordina Mahama. The only who could Mahama de year me no. More say ne you see na you will not come back. I respect you. I can never insult you. But the other you be banned. Me and Uncle say dear. Me dear yan wumi o. No, people think me yan wumi o. Me free swan and best she as I say so bang. Me ni feelings. Me ni akuma. Me ni dofubia. Me ti me na mwa sagi on embeno. Sagi on embeno. No problem. Ghana for no problem. Say dem ye na wan kai ba ku krampwa. No problem. Say 800 citizens and na me join me scammer. Who call internet is so I became depressed. More especially last year. I brought this Becca me this $3 million, you know. Me na depression koda hospital Eppendorf. Me suye. And I me catch a doctor for and say, I don't want to go back to Ghana. They want me to be deported. And I me catch a doctor for and say, I know that I'm clean. I don't have $3 million. But if they still want to put me in jail, doctor, I want to kill my life. I want to kill myself. Me person me contact not the Kwansina car family tsunami wu. It is better for me to die in Hamburg than to be in jail. In Zabronya DC. So why constitution documents be? No one who say, ya transfer sikebi with my name. Ya ma ye nyame bia kika nyame bia bobomu aseni sikebi akoshisha account bu na akosi $3 million sir. Me come me papa we wu mi hu ni da. Me come if you busum. Go and look for the documents very well. And go back to that Angela Eladas. And go back to former Lord Namahama who became the ACE ambassador. And let them give you that money. Because Sasuke in enemy hope. Yes. She's sleeping. Okay, you just hold her. You can put her down, you know. Wait. You can hold her. You don't put her down. She may wake up. Yeah, just hold her. Sabronya this why confusion who say me di $3 million sir. I bet me and the crest omudi me din akodigitika. It's possible because program na me you know. Not global fund for mo share my money global fund you know. Because I cried, I think I have some running nose. Mama made him kakrambra. I think you can put her down. Me assure say they have done their own investigation. And people file investigation. And who say they have given me they have spent $3 million using my name. But at the end, you know, it was 800 cedis. Just 800 cedis so. Omutia Mika only for 1 year. And I say, no, I cannot live in Ghana. Na me child dear. Me weni monyam. Sa me call embassy grana minisi kadodro a. Me nim kwa me fa so me denya visa. Eni dem ntimi me kan kire mo. Ma ko pay visa ne metu kwan. Me kwa brochire me go try na anye ye na me sanko Ghana. Me kwa America me ko try so ma ko to America. Me ye ya anye ye na me sanko back to Ghana. And I me ba Germany me try for 2 times anye ye na me sanko back. Na me dia ko ni abasa. Me dia ko ni abasa. Enne people for say o me hu say me medicine upon the year me nyina ni sunu me sunu ye koda hospital nyina no 800 cedis for 1 year no ye see ye pema chimi atum abronya this video no me ya indirectly for you to get. Go and do your research very well. Go and do your research. Ghana AIDS Commission, they have failed Ghanaians big time. Ghana AIDS Commission, that institution called Ghana AIDS Commission. Sikedia Ekosuwo hono. And then Mr. Treme, you are now the boss. Angela, your NDC call opposition. Angela, Ekoyeno. Who Mr. Treme, you know me very well. I hear you matche. And now by na se me san ebe pa mucho. Say mini baby ti mini baby da into mumbuamia. Now my son me catch again and said they should pray for me now I have mental problem. No problem. Angela Ella does. I know when you Google my name on the internet, you go YouTube now because I put me there. And then me see me what AIDS. Sorry, HIV. I did check me see me ni HIV. And then me see me what I did check me see me ni. And go for says I get we cry anything. And then me what? Actually me ni be. And then me what? And I saw unim. Angela was the one confusing me. Me pia bonti make I say me ni be bia Ghana for say ye ntia se da so better da yanji esikedi. Sika be na begidi mon kan kire me. So many years now, almost 10 years now. You see Joyce e kronfo. Na so nipa ba ku pekure ni asasi so to me be kan say me ni Joyce e dili amane di misikada. And I said that Joyce are promising me visa. And I said, yeah, Joyce are ye bibia e di misika. And I said, say, it's yenching into. Who? What do you want to do? Your phone? Nobody. Who can come and tell me, say, onimia ye bibi into medini sika? I want somebody. Me penipa ba kupe. I want sasisu. Say the mo say me dey kono. Mo say me dey nsa na nyankopo ohata sro. Say the America say nyankopo akumem no hwe. Nyankopo ohata sro a oni makumem a oni me nipa ban no. Will never let me down. God will never let me down. Na ka mo susu say akamet na Ghana. Akosire sika o street so. But nyankopo amana mba ne sada. Because you know what? So we ni papa na una masasi so a. Me ma me no wonum bia oto. Ewenyu mitu amunti asie. Nenye nunye walala. No ejiko. Ose, se uye ni papa, na se uye papa, koswa ye papa. Se ni pa boni ni so anu be di boni an koso ndi boni. Ewie ye ni asem no. At the end, we will see who is good and who is bad. I am looking for only one person to come out and say Joyce, any me dili edimisika. We boom edimisika. I want only one person in the whole world. And in yama Google internet is not fraud no. Me po ni pa ba ko po ba ka say me defraud no. And you know mo hwe me. You've heard my story. If you were in my shoes, I'm asking you this genuine question. Yemfa said, fine, truly I was having a virus. Yemfa sir, se na me wa. Di omude ye mi eye wa anka obeye den. Anka obekọ so aka se uwo. Na obi physical che ni botum. Na wo de okoye adwuma, obi ameso be hwe wenim. Na nka kwana koda baby, na esu sa ekom enku. Will you do it? I am not a fool. No, I can't do that. But one thing I say, you never understood me. So this is what happened. Young, I want to, oh, why? No. I want to play something. Okay? I want to play something. The video I gave you. I have to play it. So kindly give me your phone. Someone here. So this is what happened. It's the former president John Mahama and then the wife Rodina Mahama. They took my position and made me homeless. Is this still connected?
No.
It's not connected to Bluetooth.
Yeah, Bluetooth, but not. You have to choose.
Me about video be actually.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Nti send me nam abontin na grofo tinit no musa o meso a. Ya me show mu din na metwem. Me show mu din na me ko. I'm just doing my thing. Just trying to be happy because as asisu na ewo no. So when you anya din, you can never survive the wickedness of human beings. You can never survive the wickedness of human beings. And then my wo according to me stress so. Not even one family to even call to find out how is this girl doing. But me nkasa. You understand? Me nkasa. Me any pabonini. No problem. I am evil. No problem. Oh, I won't. No problem. No problem. Let's continue like that. Yeah, your phone is locked. Can you open for me, please? And then there must be any pabonini. Nti abronye DC $3 million you know. E bet me ayi no krese sa bibi sa wo ho. But my country sika me afa nhye me nsem. Me need $3 million. Me di 800 cedis. Mo am re fix sika dada $8 million sika dada. And no need it to America for only 1 year. It got to a point, you know.
The Ghana Ace Commission biano. As I said, Ghana Ace Commission for and the Coco visa man.
No.
Or what?
A come demia to the point to say, a bedu baby, no not former president Mahama, ni brothers nibi, and a mammy scattered to the needy. And internet told the beer, mean to me can't want some bonny, because of the new brothers nibi ayamame. Omunam to me mammy scattered to the needy. Now, me trace come with the mammy, and then I look on Jessica was a miminya. Sacrifice, I may sacrifice him, I mean my Ghana. And Jessica, I did to the needy, and then the idea was a minya, Debbie. Now, so NDC, more opposition. What's your strength? I hope when my yo be bassy, and the moonty mania depression, and the moonty nipa rejects me, and the meat to people of a baby. Nini na no me say any bibia. Life must go on. Muye when ya is, how many years now? Nipa do na I boom me kai baby ani etin ko bi boom me say me ko jare ejare. I must say dey be wo is. I must say dey be ya man jare. Ya boom me. Now go back to that house. Only nipa do ewu feel. I am not saying I killed them or no way. But me person mo kire mo say Nyankopon kwan ni nipa onim da obi abefra asase so. So I'm still grateful to God for the gifts of life. Even post nipa person obebe me krana. Me name me Babella. Say bibini bia person obebe me krana nya hwe. Abrofo wo ho. They are also humans. So bia fi say me nipa boni ni ntino bia mbe me all because of my sacrifice. Nyankopon hata suri a onyi nipa ma no. Onye yiyimu no. He is there for me. Now what's me ahwe nyame anim. Former President Mahama and no wife. What's me ahwe nyame ma yije me boni anti say na mo ko opposition a. Na mo ni na John Dumelo. I don't even want to talk about him. Me be both video am ahwe. What Abronye this is talking about?
The Ghana Ace Commission biano. As I said, Ghana Ace Commission for and the Coco visa man. Or quan per diem. Number of days you obey die. Enyinano as I saw mine Ghana and the Famunka. Your man a 4-bedroom apartment. Ewu kuro mama netinamu. Uchimu say Adana yedema ministers near 12 EBA no mu yi ba man because of so your ambassador Ghana Ace Commission and what chibosome near Tiana Kakama Akatiana yede eye pa emu hwam. No no aba bonten.
Akatiana na odi eche hu akatiana.
Enyina
na yesai
25,000. Or
25,000 Ghana cedis. Can it 250 million?
50 million. And some are to home per diem.
I think 250 million. That is what he's saying.
Per diem near $12,000.
I am a blaster player.
No idea. Say, yes, we HIV ambassador. Na ntokwa bisi. And only the all publish on Facebook, no, not in Crawford. ono omo kan bo omo bo oman Ghana korono no ye NDC fo mpanfo na obabobo omo dini enti bre ba sa na se omo terminate ne contract na wo
ambassadorial appointment
and contract no war with Ghana Aids Commission no and so omo terminate na omo terminate we na se e kwana ofa so e ko for the document e de kwaji sa aduma no no man Ghana otukwan ye bo no ka Frimera oye aduma no be semfie mi ensantem no o man Ghana ofa na kwantuo ne electricity ne danya omo han ye 4-bedroom lease omo ye de to so de mana o check ni nyina ne na kwantuo ne bibia ne ne pay de ma eye close to $3 million until o quantify sa sika we sa $3 million ne so de bakroma ye benya hospitals binum wo ha omo hiampa anameboa ye benya ye security fo hia car
se mo ti di abonye di sika se mo hu sika oboboy awoso our document mini me benya ne document ni free e nya se bia mi stress e be chi mi na me esa video we but me be se Ghana fo nyina ehu se da chiri me do Ghana ho near some inside me ko she prisoner video we be di madanse e se na me be do Kotoka airport na NPP for some insem e de me ko to prisoner video we be di madanse e people go bio abonya this so no e di echiri akohwehwe sika mi medi yon your phone is locked again. Can you please open for me? I want to play some video. Thank you.
The Black Ghana Aids Commission as I said Ghana Aids Commission for and the Kokwaje visa man or kwane per diem number of days you obey die enyina no as I saw mine Ghana and the Fahunka. Your man a 4-bedroom apartment. E wo kro mama ne tena mu. Uchimu say adana ye de man ministers ni atwafo ebie na omu yi ba akoma no because omu so ya ambassador Ghana Aids Commission. Eno achi bosome ne ye tua ne kakama akatua ne ye de eye pa emu hwam. No no aba bonten.
Akatua na odi eche hu akatua no.
Enyina
na yesai
25,000. Or
25,000 Ghana cedis. Can it 250 million?
50 million. And some are to home per diem or 2 kwana, or 2 coin back one. Or bana per diem near $12,000.
I am a blaster player.
No idea. Say, yes, way HIV ambassador. Na and Tokobisi. And only the all publish on Facebook, no, sing Crofona. Or no more cambo, mubo, or mine Ghana, Corononi, NDC 1.4 na, or Bobo Mudini. And Tibre Bass are necessary or terminate. The contract na
ambassadorial appointment
and contract no war with Ghana Aids Commission and so mo terminate no mo terminate we na say e kwana of us wo e ko for the document e de kwaji sa aduma no man Ghana otukwan ye bo no ka frimira oye aduma no be semfie mi ensantem no o man Ghana ofa na kwantuo ne electricity ne danya o mo han ye 4-bedroom lease o mo ye de to so de mana o checking nyina ne na kwanto ne bibia ne pay de ma e close to $3 million until o quantify sa sika we sa $3 million ne so de bakroma ye benya hospitals binum wo ha omo hiampa anameboa ye benya ye security fo hia car omo de be ye aduma ye bu koba bi school dane omo tetifam na omo ye dey omo atwere ye betim dia ye sa anema na obi ebe kaso me na ndisi fo bi na ka bo mo awi o man Ghana
yo ma video no abonye se me ni ndisi fo na ka bo mo wi o man Ghana. Okay, have it.
I have to go now.
Okay, you can dress up when you're ready to go. She's sleeping now. Yeah, she's sleeping, so you can go now. Thank you so much. Abonye this in our cano. I've seen many ndisi fo na ka bo mo me no man kambo omo you sue me. After this video, I know there are some good journalists out there who still work to make sure that they try to hold our leaders accountable. Dig into the issue. I only sacrificed. Sike bia ifra brofo ni ho ba ye bia no. E ko ndisi fo. Omo you sue me only for the videos. And I'm Koladrin, 23 years old. She said, I'm 33. Me fear say me nyina na me hu say no Joyce why enkwase ade. Nkwase adwuma pa na akoye ye. Na me ka say debi. I want to rewrite my story. And I'm go for some monti ase no. And no na mo some monti ase no. Say my baba can say na ma sam sister man so monti ase. Na ka me nye den. Na ka die na ka mo pese me ye. Die mpa na ka mo pese me ye. Sa video ya bronya this year ye. Media church of God for this say oh e betimi an no krese okwa e bechi watum. E bin say oh ebia na yenchi wuntum. I cannot base my hopes on ebia. Obi say ebia e bechi watum. Obi say ebia yenchi wuntum. Na asem ko ne achi mi tum nso e. Now upon the mass suffer was assassin in Mr. Koda prison. Was Sika, former President Mahama and the wife Lordina Mahama Edintiana. Any Angela went Dintiana. Now me go down prison. No way. No way. I've run your DC. I am calling you tonight. Yeah. Thanks, eh? We'll talk. Thanks for coming. Now it's me, and I may go down prison. Young, what about the decision you take? Let me know. Huh? What about the decision you take tonight? Whether you are coming back or not? Okay. Then it will be a discano. Me na me go down prison. Obiedi ni sikano. Me Joyce. Upon all the man femu nyina na me stand for that prison. Miss Ramwa, abronya DC. Go back into the matter. Makatro, na me save you of Fidelity Bank. Go to the bank. Ukwa, any journalist who want to know about how much money I made from NDC, go. And I'm ready to allow my bank manager to let you go through all the money I have received from AIDS Commission.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I will let you know every money that I got. Because my bankers are there. All the money that came was coming through the bank, Fidelity Bank. 800 cedis, 800 cedis, 800 cedis every month. So 1 year. 1 year. And I'm terminating contract. And I'm say free global fund. The money they wanted to get from global fund, they have gotten it. They have gotten it. Sometimes I blame myself for some of the insults because I joke. I joke too much. Tracy Bachas and we buy it. Me the joke is say this in I grow. But in reality, no, NDC has never done anything for me. Me to me some for that prison. I will be sick with you. Former first lady. Please. I am on my knees. Former first lady. Please. If MPP is asking for the AIDS money, can you go and give it back to them? For my sake? Can you please go and give the money back to them? Ghana AIDS Commission. Can you talk to Abronya DC and tell him that as a small girl, you were paying me only 800 cedis, but not what he said I was paid? Can somebody do that for me? Please? Any serious journalist? If truly I got $3 million, are you going to sit down there for me to go with $3 million just like that without asking questions? If it is true that I have $3 million, are you going to keep quiet for me to just spend the money? And if the money is not with me and it is inside Lordina Mahama's pocket, are you going to sit down to let her go with the money? Because AIDS Commission, they are not doing any job there. They are not doing anything. When I became the ambassador, me na me call program. TVC program in Yam, me na me call me, I have been on KSM show for more than 5 times. TV3, everywhere. Me na me call programs. Apart from schools, no more letter no. The AIDS Commission, they are not doing anything there. Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission, I'm using microphone sex, I'm using condom near there. I once posted on my Facebook, say prior honey ho. Ba, okay me. Sa brand na mini smartphone, na phone nkiti bia na dey cram. Ba's girlfriend was in the Ghana AIDS Commission, one of the bosses. Ba, and then usi wa worry. Last time I was talking about it, nobody even commented about it. Dr. Tremi, Mr. Tremi. I was in microphone use condom, no. The small girls will be sleeping with, no. Do you use condom? Mr. Tremi. And then usi wa Jessica. because the foolish joys me Jimmy me ana me de me ho ba ya na mo use me na mo nya mo videos na mo de ko Jessica and also when you sika wie nti no me ba es commission ho be pa mo che obia mo enfi me you go grant interview so when kwenya na go grant interview a wo ka papa bia say Ghanaian should pray for Joy, she has mental problem me or mental problem then nobody should take it serious. Es commission for no mo go na mo so mo ko da mo use condom doctor chere me na o se mo use condom no ono ko use condom ti mo dog no. It's such a pity. If you're a Senegal, and then who's seeing this way you are, ma? You see karma? Do you know what is karma? Efia, do you know what is karma? Efia, do you know what is called karma? Efia. They said, where she me that, but only me kasada. Now so, as somebody buy, you know, me pa mahama chow, some mama me baby in keke. Omo pesi ka be mama mpo na me fanye business. Omo pesi single room dan kra omo pe mama na me ntine mu no. Me su ma no. Na onya me ho adaje. E kwa ji sika free mahama na ho. Sika anka wo se de mama mpo na me tumi de ye bibi kakra no. Na wo san kwa ji sika. Na go na UTV. E di ma tempoto because what buy na also. And ne usu we hunya santi hu ni NDC. Nti usu ma. Abai de botechi na no na de bebo ba. Efia Abai di botechi no eno ane di bebo ba. Usi me e kronfo na me pese ma ha mama msika. No problem. Sama na me ninam na me ye documentaries no. Ye chucha me ho documentaries, ye chucha pictures, ye billboard. There's a magic baby so popular with some silly disease. Became popular with silly disease. Me see me deji amanfo. Me see me dia me yes me a second Jesus. Amanfo winti no. Me kwa kosua de na ma be kire ma de. Na omu yi mi maya. Na me cha de, o de so mo to dan ma wo. O de akotina radio so na didi nkrofo atema. Ni ato dan ma. Na me bomb me di me oni pedia bo afore. And 1990 villages. I thought they be kwa me kwa program me nya hotel limpo. Mitimi daka mu ma de echi. And the Ghana for some can papa be amaye na me a fraud. And besin ne mo HIV advert ba kumpo TV so. Besin ne AIDS program ben pana AIDS commission for betimi akasa e free side drugs is free no. Yetimi aye bibi papa bi. No, let me know. Ghana. Master me ba besin ne no. Mo tumi ehu HIV program even back up of TV so. No. It can't happen. No. Nipa na nyakopo yi na odi ne ho ba for real no mu yi ni mai. Nti mu yi ni mai no mu nsensi fom. Sika na nka wo se mu nya no sisi ano abrofo no kwa mu mfi mu bio. Nti program no etumi nkoso. Otumi nya me bone na nkoso akeke o. Mini obi na ma bi free makuma mu AIDS commission mini omu ye adwuma no. Hey. The technical director who was called Dr. Richard Amenya. Dr. Richard Amenya. Doctor, you remember what the email you sent me? That email no, it's still I have it. I became so poor, Me be say, here me mami ko go swia Uber. I was driving Uber. Forget about Tracy Bachi video pan na me no. Obi an say na me Uber driver. Uber for ba Ghana no. Uber, ye di Uber ba 2016. I was the first lady and I be driving Uber. I was the first lady they train and then Grofo be brave, sisi ama be brave driving Uber. And I must say they are strong, Me the first person me driving Uber. I me open to me friend, me to me request. Because funny pana. Nani pana show me di or say, are you not Joyce? And I say yes. Say, oh, what happened to you? Why are you driving? You are driving Uber. And I say yes, I have to survive. With me fa obi Uber. Share Uber moko Uber office for. Go to Uber. Go through their whatever, their records. Check who was the first Uber driver. First female Uber driver. I am May Joyce. Now my check. Now my this guy say me who me crown who say me. Now former AIDS ambassador. You use me millions of dollars. I feel like the medical crime in be. Na me call rent single room bi wo Dakuma. Kokompe Dakuma Fadama. Dakuma Fadama. When me call rent die. A whole single room. I me driving Uber, sir. And people who live in Fadama, they know me. People who live in Fadama, Dakuma Fadama, they know me. Me your baby I laugh, I dance, me penije. But some me bema bakwa because of say come dey me no. Say bema me pen no na me dey me hu kwa come so me dan no biska na come drive Uber. And come drive Uber. It's me driving Uber sir for so long. Me driving Uber so na me visa my passport mo visa. That visa makes me dey to Ghana. One thing people don't know is that the fact that you have visa no doesn't mean say so to kwanya obenya assistant will be outcome. It's not easy. Me visa me to kwan koba. Na wasa me driving me Uber. Me drive sir. As be do baby no. First na Uber o drive here like see na when your request. Utumi for obi. Ubesi ni pa na request aba. But se be do baby na fi cast na e bebre. Ubetumi afa nipa baako. U drop in nipa na ubetumi agina maybe sir be say one hour kra no bi amfrɛ o. He de boom abem na me jai say me drive Uber bi o. E come dey me to the point say the year was it when 2018. Me the two Facebook say I want to kill myself because I'm tired. Me to me and sacrificing me humba ye adwuma say. Na fe ohia. Na me nya obafo. Me nya obafo as am me dress na me go dina circular. Sabi two liar. Anka me nya be ma mo ni mbeda ma misika. Me no nya me lifestyle. Me ni so ohye. Me pasa. Me roro me ho. Ni na was depression. But ya training me. Say me hia sika. Me ma be ma ni me nda no ma misika. We are my boyfriend can now be stressed and now me bube fool because I want to have my own money. I want to be in charge of my own life. That is how I live my life. And that is me. That is what makes me me. And I'm more opposition. It's when you are brave. More power. Now I'm going to say and I'm me music director betray me. Fact. Hash has to do. No one will be a tattoo. I'll say you dey bend down to see my nyash. You forget say another man they see your own. I pidgin English. You dey bend down to see my nyash. You forget say another man they see your own. NDC. You dey bend down to see my nyash. Muosika dey talk that Emma Tracy Boache. Muosika dey talk cars Emma Slay Queens. Muosika dey talk car ma can say Miss Bonnie hwan. Nanso mu ni sika mude ma ace ambassador sacrifice ye ma munye sika. Muosika dey talk car any dan Emma Slay Queens. But Joyce amaye hwia na me nam ho no obi embu me no. Mu ni sika dey ma Joyce. Or sacrificing who Emma Global Fund. Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Global Fund. E bagana. E be hu ejuma na me ye. Omo call ye na mo call invite me. E be throw letters send me. Said they want me to meet Bill Gates. I still have the letter here. Me to me letters in Chinese. Me primary school. Me boost cried as social bag mo ha. Me primary school. Me works am I me I'm proud of what I do all the time. Primary school, JSS, certificate in that social bag mo ha. I don't throw my letters away. Letters are Global Fund for sending me. Emma me call a Japan embassy. Or cantonment. I call visa. Almost sending me ticket. Almost tickets. Over 20,000 cedis ticket. 200 million. First class ticket. Send me share Bill Gates. Now me back the challenges Africa is facing in terms of health and education. Because of say Bill Gates, can say Global Fund, I invited Angela. I don't know why they didn't choose a minister or any other person who is higher than me. But small girl, and I'm choosing him because I'm not be whom programs are me here. I'm first class ticket. There was a time I posted my passport with my visa inside the Japan visa I got. I posted it here. Nipa na ochro say I should bring a letter no. Mumuni say me I don't lie. I don't lie about my age. Me call government school. Me but nothing braggy. I'm not like the slave queens. Obi bet I say I went to so and so school. Me who akrana onim sa school. I don't do that. Me call government school. Anything I do, I talk about it. So I will not come and lie. For what? They sent me a letter. And can me go share Bill Gates? Oh, Tokyo. Share after this video, I will make a screenshot of the ticket. It is still in my email. Ticket from this sending me through email. I will make a screenshot of my ticket to meet Bill Gates. A whole Bill Gates. And can then so I'm inviting each person from each African country. Now you choose me Joyce. Send me go share Bill Gates. Me sumi wanwa de kasa. Na kami ko kasa yu an kan mi sika Ghana benya. Ena Angela Ella das ya Ghana is commission. Me nim the poka chom say me betu kan ko Tokyo. Ena mo free global fund for tran tro mo. Just 3 days to my flight, you know. Ena global fund for free me ka chere me say they are sorry. Now matter their stories being that they don't think they want to they want to continue with me. And I must say me chance of meeting Bill Gates. I started then my depression because the way I'm not excited, you know. Because I was very young and to go and meet such a person, I was so happy. They just spoiled everything for me. They will say, Shabre is some for and ye rade. Senyagupon ya ebo. That's what Kasa Nipas Messi is a great person now, Osia Quine. Me ultimately Osia Quine, my brother Mu. Osia Quine. Ubeko. I will suffer, but I'll still get to the top. That is me. That is the spirit I have. My spirit, you know. My spirit, I know a day to the sense that I am unstoppable. Just a me. I am unstoppable unless I am dead. And to go and meet Bill Gates, you know. And this before because you're inviting ministers into, they spoil my chance. And I'm betting if I'm soon, sir. Me soon, yes. Now, I'm doing me in ready. Angela, you stopped me from meeting Bill Gates, but you didn't kill me. You were not able to take my soul. The zeal power in me, that burning fire, you were not able to take it away from me. You thought I was going to die of hunger, but Nyakupa Manambani, sir. No matter how broke I was, me ko embassy, me ko visa as a tourist visa, yeah, the mommy. For so many years, nobody refused me visa, even though sena me nye my papa biya. That is grace. It is called what? Grace. But what drum be on me swear? You can stop me. You can try to destroy me, but you cannot kill me. Never say die until the bones are rotten. You cannot take my life. No. You can never take my life. You can stop me, but that fire in me, you cannot quench it. That fire in me, joy. That what makes me joy is that she's controversial. Me not controversial. Me you need to see me. I am me to the bone. Nti efia sinega. Ukutu ya na wo hwa metu no. Wo si Mahama ne wife enyame. Se makakoye nkwasi adwuma is ambassador. Nkwasi adwuma etia me 800 cedis. 8 million kani 8 million. Nkwasi adwuma me koye ye no. Me betina radio so se me ni sika o, me ni baby da o, Mahama boami o. Na nkwasi ade na betina UTV di matem poto. Na me mama sum ya. Enne efia enne o betina Facebook Facebook live. Ese den. Who did this fatem? Unye hu hwe efia. Unye hu hwe. You can go and borrow all the cars and be showing off. Say it, you are. Who ni hute? Efia. Who ni hwe? Me pa mo choma wo friend me. Who knows me life? Don't call me because I'm not going to pick up. Who ya make cartel? Stop calling me, please. I beg you. Me betra anya form of anana. Obiani say me if you see the kind of videos I do about NDC and MPP, who about dream bar? Who say me support you obia? I do those things for fun. I don't support any political party. Intabronya DC. This is my story. This is my story. So because of 800 cedis intino, who's yan chim into moi, mate. Be their seminar, be their too public. Anybody who is interested in the $3 million, go to the AIDS Commission. Go and find out how much money they paid me, and they'll come and arrest me. They fear. So I was saying, the only year, no say the IO. And then I'm to show video. With a fake account, I'm show video. You could be a fake account because I'm the person who send me a shop. You could be a fake account. And I'm show video na to the end. And I'm saying, say na idea, yes sir. Into say na idea, yes sir. If you into idea, yes sir. And I'll be your nyonko ba. What the year nyonko ba? Ma obi ametina Facebook and bisa me sebi. Mo be bisa me kwati asem. Me shedapa and I'm not even reading your comment because I can see some silly comments. Obi an bisa ma wo for me boy. Somebody say me one ma for. Did you ever see me with 4 pregnancies? No. Did you ever see me getting pregnant 4 times? No. But say me can say me one ma for no say mujidi. Mujidi. Say me bia mu bia mujidi. And you know, anything I do not come and say anything. And there are others. You made a fool out of me. Now if it's about tonight is commission on forever. Now friend me phone so. Joyce, go back and say you have HIV. Now Jimmy. Now my and then me 3 granting interview. And then you see I don't have any disease. 1 week later, now my baby go from me see me wo. Now me boy. And not there's a mood Jimmy me say I say me. I'm moving say me Jimmy won. Me Jimmy here. I think say me banner sorry. On soon ye dear but was sorry. Into me pamucho. Me the video no baby here. This is my story. When you see me in town, I'm not begging you to be my friend. You know what? Say whatever you want to say about me. The mo person mu ye me bia na mo nye. Why? Share and say bia mo person mu katu me so bia mo kanto me so. Yeah, me so depressed. I started going completely naked on Facebook. No